Negativity, what that? We no want that. We trample up that and make it well flat. Negativity, what that? We no want that. We trample up that and make it well flat. Positivity, yes, we need that. Build up each other and make self intact. Positivity, yes, we need that. Build up each other and make self intact. Good morning, children. It is Children's Day, and today I'll be sharing with you on the theme Unplug Negativity, Connect Positivity, Think. I repeat, unplug negativity, connect positivity, think. Now, when the word negative comes to mind, what do you think of right away? Yes, I think of the word bad. Positivity and the word positive, when that comes to mind, I think of something good. So, negative, positive. Negativity, positivity. Red for negative and green for positive. We are facing negative effects of the COVID-19, but has teaching and learning stopped? No. This simply means that we have turned a negative situation into a positive, looking at the brighter side. We will be focusing on the word think. T-H-I-N-K. Those are the letters that make up the word think. Now, T. Is it true? Most times we hear something bad, we are quick to pass it on. For example, during this coronavirus, you hear that one of your classmates has the virus. You run and you text your classmates or you send them voice messages without thinking or without asking yourself the question, is it true? No. So we're unplugging that. Instead of spreading negativity, instead of running with just hearsay, we're going to think about it. We're going to ask ourselves the question, is it true? Would I like this for myself? H, is it helpful? Whatever it is that you aim to do or say, I want you to ask yourself this question. Is it helping me? Is it helping someone else? If your answer is no, then you need to unplug that. I, is it inspiring? Does this have a positive effect on my peers, my household? Will it fill someone with the urge to do something great? Should your classmate need help with writing a poem he already has 2 lines for, but you tell him these are the worst 2 lines ever? That means you would be inspired, yes or no? I don't think you'll be inspired. You should be a positive influence to others, right? So telling him that those 2 lines are the worst ever, he did not feel inspired going forward, so he would not even feel led to continue writing that poem. And is it necessary? Is this of any importance in any way at all? Is this needed? So after playing football, your team lost the game. You decide not to talk to those on the winning side. Is that necessary? No. And you'd want to unplug such negativity. K. Is it kind? Am I considerate of others, of my peers' feelings? Do I see a line at lunch and go straight to the front because I want to get through first? Or is it that I join that line from the back? Do I say unkind stuff because I don't get my own way? I don't get to bat first in the game. I tell Tom that your head is big because you're batting first. Those things are unkind, and we want to unplug those negative things from our lives. Have you helped someone throughout this pandemic? Throughout this coronavirus? Have you helped someone? Now, at this time, we're going to be unplugging some red wires. Negativity, negative things, negative traits. Now, yes, red wires. So we're going to be unplugging hurtful words. Let's unplug. Unforgiveness. Let's unplug. Fear. I want you to unplug with me. Doubtfulness. Laziness. Hatred. Unhappiness. Unkindness. Putting off for tomorrow what can be done today. The big word for that is procrastination. We're unplugging that too. At this time, we will be connecting some green wires. Positivity. Kindness. Plug in. Hope. Putting off for tomorrow what can be done today. The big word for that is procrastination. We're unplugging that too. At this time, we will be connecting some green wires. Positivity. Kindness. Plug in. Hope. Peace. Willingness to work. Love. Confidence. Forgiveness. Happiness. Now we've just plugged some green wires. We've connected positivity, right? I encourage you to create a positive lifestyle at home, at work, at play, at church. Think big. There is nothing impossible with God.